Good morning, everyone. It is an absolutely beautiful day today, and I wanted to take you guys along and do another college day in my life, last week of classes version. I forgot to start vlogging first thing this morning. I was just so excited to get outside, but I basically woke up, got my coffee, did my devotions out on our little balcony because it was 66 degrees, made myself a yogurt parfait, did some more work, and now it's about 10:15 and I'm gonna actually get ready for the day and brush my teeth and wash my face and get dressed. Kind of a random start to this weekday because I normally don't hang out with friends, like especially in the mornings. I just get work done, work out, whatever I need to do. But this weather is so pretty that I invited my friend Nicole over and we are gonna go do some work down by the pool. So I may put on a swimsuit under a t-shirt and shorts, and then I am gonna go sit by the pool and get some work done, which I am honestly so excited for. And then I have 2 classes, a meeting with my manager, and yeah, still need to do some homework and work out and that kind of stuff. But get a snack, watch this video, and once you're done watching, you can go have yourself a good day. Whether it's productive or not, it can still be a good day. And I'm just so thankful for you guys for watching my channel. So let's get started with this video. Kula sent me some products that I am so excited for. These 3 I've already tried out. I use these Sunsilk drops literally every day on my face. This is my second bottle that I've purchased myself. I love them, so I'm glad to have a restock. Actually, I've also tried their lip balm and it's super nice for the summer. But I can't wait to try out this new serum. I'm gonna put this on after I do my skincare. And then they also gave me this Glowing Greens cleansing gel, which this packaging is so cool, and I think I'm gonna keep this in my shower to use in the shower, like out on my face and maybe my body. And yeah, I love these sunscreens, this body and face. Oh my gosh, they smell like summer, like pina colada. Oh, I'm gonna go put some on. Even though the UV index is 2, so I probably don't even need sunscreen right now on my body, but we gotta be safe anyway. I was working on finishing up a group project, and I thought this would be the perfect time to talk to you all about otter.ai because they have been a tremendous help in this project, and maybe they can help you as we finish up this school year together. So otter.ai allows you to transcribe your conference meetings so you can have meeting notes so easily. For one of my projects in a PR class, I had to conduct a focus group and an interview all through Zoom, and my group did not know how we could get a transcription of the meetings to submit to our professor, and we just knew it was going to take hours and hours to transcribe these meetings ourselves. And so thankfully, I found otter.ai, and it allowed me to, 1, upload a previously recorded Zoom meeting, and it transcribed it so that my group didn't have to do that extra time and work into transcribing it. And for my second interview, I was able to just press record while the interview was happening on Zoom, and it transcribed it as we went. You can automatically name conversations based on the event title. It gives you a peace of mind because you can share with only the meeting attendees, and it allows for cloud sync and live notes. It'll help you have fewer and shorter meetings. It can help you be more productive in your work, in your job, or at school because you're saving time and not having to transcribe or take meeting notes of your Zoom classes or meetings. And it'll make you more confident in your work because let's say you want to record a lecture for a class and you want to take notes from the lecture so you can make sure you get everything the professor says. You can be confident in your new transcribed notes because you're not taking the notes yourself and having to listen to what the professor says and missing things. So you can take notes while the professor's talking, and also have otter.ai record and take notes for you as well, so you can go back and compare your notes to the transcription and see if you missed anything from the lecture. I'm so glad I found out about this tool. I'm going to keep on using it in my classes and even recommend it to other students because seriously was a lifesaver in this project, and it's so helpful if your professors don't record their lectures. So I encourage you all to check out otter.ai, see if it'll help you with your studies or your work. I will put the link in the description box, and you can use the code YouTube_otter for 10% off the Otter Pro or the annual plan, but there is also a free version as well. All right, I'm gonna get finished with this homework, finishing up this group project, and we'll get back to the day in the life. All right, I am all ready to go to the gym. It is now 2 o'clock, so I have 2 hours before my next class, and this here is the workout fit. I think it is an arms day. The leggings, they're like camo navy, are from Aerie, and then this black tank top and blue sports bra is from Fabletics. So very, very excited. Let's go get this workout in.
I wonder, is it worth living now? They told me dreams come true once you live it out. I picked up pieces from my childhood in a broken house and heal my soul.
All right, just got back from the gym. I'm making a smoothie and I'm watching Keaton Milburn's live on Twin Flames about the new Twin Flames restock. So I saw she was going live, so I just like hopped on while I'm making my smoothie. So we have some kale, frozen cherries, frozen mango, collagen. I'm gonna add almond milk, and then whatever's left of this protein powder I got at Trader Joe's. It's very good, but I'm pretty much out. Oh, and this is the crushed ginger that's perfect for smoothies from Trader Joe's. It comes pre-peeled and sectioned and frozen, and it's perfect. So I had 2 in there, and then this is the collagen I got. Dose & Co sent this to me a little while back as PR, and I've been loving their products, so I added just the plain collagen in there. And then I wanted to also show you guys this product I've been loving. If you're into fitness, you probably know Alani Nu. I tried out some of their pre-workout, like their energy drinks, and then I also got this Bcaa powder. I normally drink this during or right after a workout. This is the peach ring flavor, but I decided just not to today. And I feel like a real fitness influencer, fitness girl when I'm using this product. I don't really take a pre-workout, but I will drink some of their energy drinks sometimes as a pre-workout, but I've been taking this after my workouts. I think it has helped with muscle recovery. I drink a lot of water, so I don't know how it helped with hydration, but it tastes amazing, and if it does something good for me, then why not, right? So just thought I'd show you some recent fitness favorites, but I'm gonna blend this up and drink this as I get ready for class. It's funny how freshman and sophomore year I dressed up to go to class, and now end of junior year, this is what I'm wearing to class. This is technically a pajama hoodie, but it's so soft. Nike shorts and my Fila slides that I just wear like randomly running errands or like around the apartment. But I cannot be bothered to put on real clothes right now, so we're gonna drive to class. got back to the apartment after class. I just sat around campus after because it was so nice out and kids were out. And I just like thought back to freshman year. And I just thought back to how much happier I am now than I was freshman year, which is a good feeling to know like you've had some growth, to feel like you're in a better place than you once were. And yeah, I was just feeling very grateful for where I am right now. As I was having flashbacks walking past my freshman dorm and all of that. But now I'm starving. It is 5:30. I also realized that after tomorrow morning, I will not be on campus anymore this semester and this year. So yeah, tomorrow's class on campus will be the last time I'm on campus. But I'm gonna go cook some dinner, even though I don't feel like cooking, but I'm very hungry. All right, I got some salmon that's partially frozen, but I think the air fryer can handle it. Shaved Brussels sprouts from Trader Joe's. I just added some salt and olive oil to that. And then my favorite way to make salmon is with some everything but the bagel seasoning on it. Very simple, but I add yummy dressings on top of like the Brussels sprouts and stuff to add some flavor. But gonna throw this in the air fryer. Also, air fryer pro tip, put tin foil down, saves so much time and cleaning. Yeah, I didn't start doing that till like a few months ago, and Lucy and I both agree it's a game changer. So I'm gonna put this in the air fryer over here. I'm watching Delaney Childs on YouTube, but Brussels sprouts got a little bit burnt. It was only in there for like 5 minutes, but we're gonna get a fork. 2 vlogs going on right now. All right, I think the salmon still needs cooked, so I'm gonna take the Brussels sprouts out, put it on my kale. Oh, this looks so good. Here's the salmon and the Brussels sprouts. Next, I'm gonna add this dressing, which is actually new. Haven't tried it yet. Green Goddess from Trader Joe's. And then I'm also gonna add some tahini, which I love for some flavor and some healthy fats, since it's literally just raw ground sesame seeds. So I'm gonna drizzle this on top. Oopsie. And here we go, a delicious greens bowl with my new flowers. I'm gonna watch some YouTube while I eat.
That's just one of those life things that we're still working on. It's like our like everybody has.
Dinner was so good. I also had some medjool dates and almond butter for dessert. Literally, it's like a healthy Snickers bar with a chocolate chip on top. So freaking good. But now I need to record a voiceover for this Sunday video, Sunday in my life. It's just like a 1-minute sponsor. It gives a great flavor and it produces less waste as it doesn't require any paper filters. So we love that. They're on a sustainability. It gives a great flavor and produces less waste as it doesn't require any paper filters. So, all right, I put these blue light glasses on. I always forget to wear mine because I put my computer on, what is it even called? Night shift. So I'm like, oh, I don't need to wear blue light glasses. But guys, I feel like this semester my eyesight has gotten worse. Like I feel like whenever I look at my computer screen at night, even with the night shift on, everything gets blurry. Like the text, if I'm like writing a paper, is sometimes blurry, and I'm like, that's not good, Hannah. I need to get my eyes checked because I currently never worn contacts or glasses, so maybe I need to get my eyes checked. Anyway, I made some peppermint tea, one of my favorite things to drink at night, and I was watching YouTube videos while doing some work, but now I need to take a short quiz, and so I don't know about you guys, but when I'm doing work that's kind of like busy work, I put on YouTube videos so I can catch up on those. But when I actually have to focus, I can't have like YouTube or podcasts in the back. I just need instrumental music. I can't even have music with lyrics. So I put on, it's called Nighttime Jazz on YouTube, and there's a Eiffel Tower, so it's like jazz vibes, I guess. So yeah, I'm going to do some more homework, drink my tea, maybe have a snack, wait for Lucy to get home. She'll be home any second. Okay, It's 9:30 and I just washed my face and brushed my teeth and put on some pajamas. I'm wearing the Dream Achieve sweatpants my boyfriend got made for me. They're so cute. They say Dream Achieve. I have a matching pullover too. So cute and comfy. But I just really enjoy getting into bed early, especially if I feel like I've gotten a good amount of work done. I don't try to like push myself and stress myself out. I just say, you know what, it can be done tomorrow. I make a to-do list for tomorrow and worry about it the next day. So I've also been watching Dawson's Creek on Netflix, so I will probably watch an episode or two of that before bed, but my goal is to be like asleep by 11 p.m. I hope you guys enjoyed this school quick day in the life. Showed you just a typical Wednesday, finishing up classes and everything. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed. Like this video if you want to see more, subscribe, click the notification bell so you don't miss an upload, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye, peace out.